Hello and welcome to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to validate your KYC. Validating KYC is an important step in activating your Demat account. After registering for your Demat account, you will be redirected to this eKYC page. From here, your eKYC process begins. Here, enter your mobile number and enter the OTP to get your mobile number verified. Select your native state and click on Continue. Next, we need to verify our email address. Enter your email address and enter the OTP you received in your email. Enter a PIN for your account. Either note it down or keep it somewhere safe because you will be using this to log into your account later. Validate. So here we'll need all these documents to create our account. Here we need our Aadhaar and PAN card to proceed further, which we can upload from DigiLocker. If you forgot your DigiLocker PIN, click on Forgot PIN and enter your birth date with the year and set a new PIN. Okay. After reviewing, click Allow. Here we need to enter our bank details such as our account number and the IFSC code. Click on Validate. Here, select the products that you would like to trade in such as mutual funds, futures and options, currency or commodity. Next, you can either select your bank account from here or if in case your bank is not here, you can upload your payslip or your salary slip. Select salary slips from the drop-down menu of income proof type. Upload the document and enter the password if it is password protected. Enter your personal and financial details over here. Add a nominee here if you wish to. Add the nominee details. Validate. Here, you'll need to answer a couple of generic questions. It's filled by default. If you wish to change certain details, you're free to do so. Validate. Now, a live picture of yours will be taken. You can either take a photo via your PC or you can send the link to your mobile phone. Get the required permissions for your browser and click a selfie. Provide your digital signature and save it. Don't forget to select a brokerage plan and your Demat preference. Cross-review your details and click Agree. You have to read through the policies and click on Continue. Complete your e-sign by providing your Aadhaar number and verifying the mobile number linked with your Aadhaar card. Complete e-sign. Answer these questions to tailor your trading experience. Now, the e-sign has been completed and we have to wait for the account to be verified and activated from the backend. Once the verification and activation is completed, you'll get your login credentials which you can further use to log into your account. If you have filled in all your credentials correctly, you'll receive your account opening email a day or two later. With that, we reach the end of this video. To check your KYC status, you can watch this video. The link will be in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Alice Blue's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss out on any more updates like this. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.